Thank you for watching the video tutorials of mekanizmalar. Oldham coupling is a mechanical device to transfer torque between two parallel but not collinear shafts. The coupling mechanism is named after John Oldham, who invented it in Ireland, in 1820, to solve a paddle placement problem in a steamship design. Oldham coupling mechanism is a three-piece coupling mechanism comprised of two hubs and a center member. The center disc, which is usually made of plastic, transmits the torque. On the center disc, mating tongues are located on opposite sides and oriented 90 degrees apart. Drive grooves are located on the hubs. The tongues of the center disc are fitted to the grooves with small tolerance to prevent backlash. With time, due to friction, tongues may wear off. Since plastics are relatively cheap, it would be advisable to change them if backlash occurs. The middle disc rotates around its center at the same speed as the input and output shafts. Its center traces a circular orbit, twice per rotation, around the midpoint between input and output shafts. This coupling mechanism is not suited for applications that require angular misalignment, as it is the case for universal joints. Also, this type coupling cannot be used in an application where push and pull with rotation. Since the center disc is floating, pulling the shaft will cause the center disc fall down. However, the Oldham coupling mechanism is the one of the best coupling for small robotic application, and they can be easily manufactured by 3D printers. We encourage you to subscribe our channel and give a thumb up to this video. Thank you.